All right. It is a beautiful, breezy, cool, damp evening here in Northeast Georgia. It's been raining most of the day. Uh, Started about 12 o'clock last night, and anyway, we waited until the rain uh, moved on, and then we come out here and started working in the garden on the pond, and started mortaring in some of the pavers. Anyway, we are going to build a worm tower. A worm tower. Well, actually, I've already built it. I am going to install it and kind of explain it to you. Now, I will not be putting in, I will not put anything in this worm tower today, but I do want to go ahead and put it in the ground. And I will be putting worms in it, bedding in it, and vegetation in it. And I'll do a video of that, but I wanted you to see how I made it and how you can install it. And then we'll do another video when I purchase the red wigglers, the composting worms, and you'll see how to put the bedding in there, how to put the vegetation in there. It's not rocket science. Anyway, we'll do a video on that when that time comes, but I will be putting several of these in the ground around here. And what these do is the composting worms, of course, you put them in the tower and they start working, eating stuff, and making castings. And what they'll do is they'll move in and out from the earth, from the dirt. They'll go in and out from the tower into the earth, the dirt, into your garden, and leave their castings. And so that's what we want. We want worm castings. They are the best. Anyway, so let's take a look at it. It is starting to rain, so what I've got is a 4-inch PVC Schedule 40. I drilled 1-inch holes all around, and I did it about 16 inches up. So you can do it 18 or whatever, 12 is fine, but that's it. I mean, it's very simple. You put it in the ground, just like that. Make sure your holes are beneath the surface. Beneath the surface, you want your ground at least to here. Now what I've got is a regular cleanout cap. That's going to be the easiest. Now you can stick a screen over it. Some people use like a perforated top, but you need at least a screen over it, if not all the way closed, because you want to keep the soldier flies out of there. You want worms. You don't want maggots or larvae. That's it, friend. So what you do is you drill these holes. It's very simple, you can see, but make sure you sand this and inside to get it smooth, halfway smooth. You don't want them worms getting snagged and cutting themselves and that sort of thing. That's it, though. I like this. It's a little bit expensive, but so easy. And so what you'll do is you'll put some like shredded newspaper in there, maybe a little bit of cardboard, some vegetation, maybe a banana peel, and then you'll put more. Then you'll put the worms in, and then put bedding on top of the worms, shredded newspaper, cardboard, whatever. We'll do another video of that. And then you want to wet it real good. Get your water hose, wet it all really good. Get it good and wet. Just soak it good. And then every so often you want to come out here, feed it what you need to feed it, vegetation, more bedding, whatever, and just soak it really good every once in a while, twice a week, once a week, whatever. Come out and just soak it real good. Just open it up, put the water hose in there, That's it, friend. Oh. And so those worms, they'll go in and out of the holes, in and out of those holes, and when they come out, they will deposit their castings throughout the soil. So it goes into the hole, it eats, it comes out of the hole, and deposits the castings into the soil. That is it. That's it. So I'll show you how to how to feed this thing, and with vegetation or whatever. Anyway, we'll see you.